Be careful what you wish for. Got a load more stuff coming in. Whole car full of laptops. Back in the workshop. Got half of the stuff out on the desk at the moment. We'll have a quick recap of what we've got in. We've got these little Toshiba NB250 107, and these have got Intel Atom chips N455. Was that right, Bernie? Intel Atom N455, running it at 1.6 gigahertz. So it's one physical core, two logical cores in that one. And these have got a Windows 7 starter key on these. So they'll take Windows 10, but is it going to be any good? I think they've got 2 gigs of RAM in these and a 320 gig hard drive. So they're a nice looking laptop, these are.
And only take a maximum of 2 gig of RAM though, that's the trouble.
Oh yeah?
Looking at Intel's Arc.
Okay. They've got 3 cell batteries in this one. And the other one we've got, which is the green cover one, this is Toshiba NB500 130s, the same CPU, N455s.
Bigger hard drive.
Yeah, bigger hard drive. 320 gig.
Yeah, the green ones have got 320, the other ones have got 250.
Now, these have got 6 cell batteries in here, so they last longer. Again, Windows 7 starter, came from a school, got to go through the wiping process. So that's those. We've got a load of HP compacts, 6735S. Oh, keys missing. Thanks for keeping the keys for us. Very helpful. So that is AMD Turon X2 64 Windows Vista machines. Not sure what I'm going to do with those. Right, so that's that lot. Now I've got how many laptops altogether? About 55, I think, 53 laptops. So today's process is stripping all the hard drives out. Well, this is turning out to be quite a tedious day today. We've got through all those hard drives, 31 of them for the first set of donations. They're all 250 gig Hitachis or Toshibas in that lot. So that's going to take up a considerable amount of time wiping those. I'll probably get both rigs running. I've got 2 rigs, each of them have got 4 laptop drive bases, so technically I can wipe 8 at a time. So that's 8, 16, 24, 32, 4 lots. This is all hard work and no treasure. The second lot, 25 HP and Toshiba laptops, Vista or XP machines. Don't know what I'm going to do with this. It might end up in a foreign country, super cheap, if I can find an appropriate buyer for them. I've already sold some of them this morning, about an hour after I had them in, taking the hard drives out obviously. So the next lot is to take all the hard drives out of these. So it's we're doing a lot of effort for basically no return on this lot. Win some, lose some. What's the matter, Bernie?
Where's your treasure?
The only one that had a possible
Where's your bit of gold?
goer is only because it's had a vague remnants of a Windows 7 sticker on it, and it's got a smashed screen. So It's another bit of work. What is it inside there? Does it tell us? Oh, it's a Celeron, isn't it?
Celeron.
Oh, this is hard work, Bernie, this time now, isn't it?
This is, yeah, it's going to be DDR2, it's going to be... I mean, I can put a new screen in it, but is it worth putting a new screen in it for...
Not really. It's another scrapper, isn't it?
It is, you know.
Win some, lose some.
Yeah.
So that is going to be another quick video today. Sure you've enjoyed watching this. Please subscribe to our YouTube videos if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.